Many congratulations. First of all, after 2 years, the Congress has appointed you as a minister now in the cabinet. What is your wish list? What is the portfolio that you would like?
No, I think this portfolio thing is actually it depends on the CM, because this is CM will take a call whatever the CM gives, and I think I'm ready to work for it, and I'm ever so thankful to the Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Saab, and he's always been my very big supporter, and I always have gone to him if there is any issues. But I'm so happy that he gave me this opportunity, and also thank the whole High Command, Kharge ji, Rahul ji, Sonia ji, K.C. Venugopal ji, and especially big thanks to Meenakshi ji, Vishwanath sir, who's our in charge, and then Mahesh Gaud saab, and these are all the cabinet people who really recommended my name for the MLC. I'm ever so thankful. I'm really looking forward to this new opportunity, because I made my cricketing debut on the 31st of December. So I think today is also 31st of October. So I'm looking forward to, I hope it's a very good thing, because my debut was good at that time. Inshallah, I'm hoping that this debut today also will be very good. Inshallah, I'm looking forward to working for the downtrodden and upliftment of the poor people in the state. And
Not without controversy, the BJP said this is violation of model code because hardly 10 days before a bypoll, which you incidentally contested also, you are being made a minister just to appease a minority community.
No, I think there's nothing like that, because I think the problem here is, because they've already complained to the election commission or whatever it may be. But I think I'm not really interested in what is happening. That is their lookout, and my lookout is as simple as that. I've been given a responsibility, and how I take care of the responsibility and how I deliver is the most important thing I can think of now. I will tell you maybe during the course of the time, I will maybe able to tell you more.
Would you have liked to contest the Jubilee Hills Assembly constituency?
No, as of now, I have got the MLC now, so I have no complaints.